I want to take a minute to review the 18-watt Thunderbolt solar panel. What I like about it and what I dislike about it. The panel seems very rugged, sturdy, and that's what I like about it. It does have an IP rating for weatherproofing. You can take it outdoors, no problem. It features grommets at each corner of the panel, so you can hang it up where you would like. The back end has a solar controller with two USB-A ports, a sticker that explains its 18 watts capability, and a little warning. It has a Velcro kickout stand that's incorporated into it. When you are in direct sun and charging, these numbers change. I think the higher the number, the better the charge. When I bought it, I did not have instructions for it. Finally, closing the panel is really simple. Close it up just like so. And this fits out in a bug out bag, the back of my truck, a backpack, wherever you like. And that's what I like about it ends. Okay, so what I don't like about it. It has two USB-A ports, which are not fast charging capable. And you can get other solar panels that are comparable in size for half the cost. So for example, I found a 30-watt solar panel at the big Amazon store, and it had USB-A and PD USB-C charging capabilities, which fits my needs because I can fast charge a phone quickly in an emergency. What am I going to do with this solar panel? I'll keep it. It's a great little panel to keep. I throw it in the back of my truck, keep it in a backpack, but there are better options available, and I'm definitely going to look into those.